and welcome to my channel. My name is Michelle. This is Manifest with Michelle. Today I'm going to talk about the best manifesting advice, a general overview, not the specific techniques, the scripting, the affirmations, the law of assumption, the law of attraction, but a general overview. You want to start manifesting your dreams. You want your best life. You want health, you want wealth, you want love in your life. This is the advice that I would give to my younger self. Stay to the end. Number 7 is where it's all at. It ties it up in a little bow. It presents it to you. It's easy. It's something that you can really incorporate into your mind. Number 7, let's get started. Number 1, pay attention. Pay attention to your life. It's the only life you have. Don't worry about other people's lives. Pay attention to your own life. No zombies allowed. Don't just go through life like a zombie, for lack of better words, and just go with the flow. No, if you want to manifest your dream life, no zombies allowed. The second piece of advice I would give my younger self: change your go-to responses. If you change your go-to response, you're going to change your life. If your go-to response is you're a victim, poor me, it's always me, not going to manifest your dream life. If your go-to response is anger, not going to manifest your dream life. Pay attention to your go-to responses, to the emotions that generally come up over and over and over again. Pay attention to that. It can change your life. You can start to manifest your dream life if you change your go-to response. Which leads to number 3, don't be a victim. Don't play the victim. In all the scenarios that are going on in your life at this time, don't be the victim. Poor me. It's not my fault. It's not my fault that's happening to me. Something outside is making that happen to me. It's not my fault that I'm attracting these terrible men, these terrible relationships. It's not my fault I have a crappy job. You're playing the victim. You're acting like the victim. If you want to manifest your dreams, don't play the victim. Can't be your go-to response in life is victimhood. It never works. You're never going to manifest what you want if you are the victim. Number 4, mindset matters. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to yourself. Generally, our self-talk is very negative. Oh, I'm such an idiot. Oh, I always say the wrong things. Oh, I look horrible today. Oh, I wish I was taller. Oh, I wish I was shorter. Oh, I wish... Oh, we are so mean to ourselves. We are mean. Stop doing that. Just stop it. Again, pay attention. So pay attention to your mindset. Pay attention to the voice in your head. Don't be a victim. Be kind to yourself. You are enough. You are worthy, and you are capable. Remember that, and above all else, be kind to yourself. You deserve kindness. Number 5, you can change. You can change. You're not a tree. You can move. You can change. Your habits matter. Again, pay attention to your life. What are your habits? What are your go-to responses, your habitual responses? And what do you do day to day? What is your attitude when you wake up in the morning? What are your habits when you wake up in the morning? How do you go about your day? Pay attention, because your habits matter. They can change your life one tiny little step at a time. And what don't you do? What habits don't you have that you could have? that would help you to start manifesting your dream life. Number 6, take 100% responsibility. Again, it ties into everything else. Don't be the victim. Don't always have anger responses. Don't play the victim. Control your own mindset. Take 100% responsibility. If your life is not where you want it to be, if you haven't manifested your dream life, take responsibility. You are the one that is responsible for your life. You are responsible for your responses to life. Don't give away your power. Don't let other people take that power from you. You are responsible for your life. You can change your life. You cannot take responsibility for anybody else's life. You cannot change them. Slightly different if you're a parent of young children, but as an adult, you are responsible for your own life, nobody else's life. Take that responsibility. Pay attention to your life and take responsibility. That gives you so much power. You can change your life. Which leads us to number 7. You are powerful. You create your own life. You create your life with your thoughts, your moods, your vibrations, your behaviors. Remember, your habits. You are powerful. That is so important. I have it down here in bold. You are powerful. That's the best advice I can give you if you want to manifest your dream life. You need to remember that you are powerful. That's the start of everything when it comes to manifestation. Know that you have the power to do it. And you can do it by paying attention, changing your habits, making sure you're kind to yourself, knowing what your responses are, maybe tweaking them, changing them, never playing the victim. Create your own life. Manifest your own life. Don't even worry about the techniques yet. Don't worry about law of assumption. Don't worry about feeling as if the wish was fulfilled already. Don't worry about Neville Goddard. Don't worry about anything until you have this down, until you know deep into your core that you are powerful. I say that in all these videos, that you are worthy, you are capable, you are enough, and most importantly, you are powerful. You want to manifest your dream life. If you want to have wealth and health and love, remember that you are powerful. Take responsibility. Be conscious of your life. Don't be a zombie, because you are powerful. You create your life. You manifest your life. I do have another video I'll link here about the techniques involved. But remember that you are powerful. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in another video.